Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln(x), du equals to dx over x. First derivative of this one, you got about 1 over x. This one we change by u. This one you got about u square. This one you got about u. Dx over x we change by du. And now we can do about factorization in here. And that's about negative open parenthesis. And you got about u square minus 4u. So I will put positive number 4. Later that we need to minus about number 4 because I want to create about identity in here. This one you got about u minus 2 to the power of 2. Now we need to open parenthesis, and this one you got about u minus 2 to the power of 2. This one you got about positive number 4. 4 plus 4 you got about 8. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u minus 2 equals to the square root of number 8 sine t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 8 sine t square. Number 8, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify by the square root and dx or du. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to the square root of 8 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here. About u, we need to put negative number 2 go to the right, and you got about 2 plus the square root of 8 with sine t du. That's about this one. And now we need to simplify. This one you got about 8 sine t square. Number 8, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of 8 cosine t square, you got about the square root of 8 cosine t. Now we need to simplify, and you got about this one in here. The integration of number 2, you got about 2t. The integration of sine t, you got about negative cosine t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. We divide both sides by the square root of 8. So you got about t equals to r sine of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about ln s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.